Good morning, students. We are learning this fractions. Yesterday we learned how to divide. Yes, division of fractions. And today we are solving this practice set 13. So the first question is, what is the reciprocals of the following numbers? We need to find the reciprocal of the numbers, and the first number is 7. Now when we just write 7, we also know this denominator is 1. Its denominator is 1. So what will be the reciprocal of this number? It will be 1 upon 7. Second number is 11 upon 3. What will be its reciprocal? Its denominator will be written as numerator and its numerator will be written as denominator. Third question, 5 upon 13. I want you to write down all these questions, okay? Write down 13 upon 5. Fifth is 2. Again the denominator is 1. So it will be written as numerator and this 2 will be written as denominator. And the last is 6 upon 7. Its reciprocal will be 7 upon 6. I know it's very easy. All of you can write. You can pause the video right now and write down whatever is on the board. Now we'll move towards the second question. The first is, we need to divide this. Okay, 2 upon 3 division करना है with 1 upon 4. Okay, and you know that. How do we do the division? We simply multiply it by its reciprocal. And you know how to do multiplication of fractions? Product of the numerators will be written as the numerator. So 2 4s are 8 and the product of these denominators will be written as denominator. So what is the answer? It is 8 upon 3. And if I ask you to convert into mixed number, how will you convert it? You will divide 8 by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder is 2. And while writing QRD, what is Q? 2. Therefore, the mixed number will be 2. R means 2 and D is 3. This is the mixed number. Okay? Now the next question. 5 upon 9 divisible by 3 upon 2. So what we are going to write? We are going to write 5 upon 9 multiply by its reciprocal. Reciprocal is 2 upon 3. So this will be 5 2s are 10 and this is 9 3s are 27. This is the answer. Now whenever I say write down, you need to pause the video and write down. Okay? Now before moving to this next question, you write down this, pause the video, and once you are finished, you can play the video again. 3 upon 7 divided by 5 upon 11. Let's do it. You should know 3 upon 7 multiply by 11 upon 5. So this is equal to, you don't have to do this signs, okay, in notebook. I'm doing it for you. So 11 3s are 33 and 7 5s are 35. So this is the answer. If I ask you to convert into mixed number, so 33 is divided by 35. So like this you can do, but you need not find it because it will be again the lengthy procedure. Okay, so let's not do it. It will be in the decimal form. This will be in the decimal form. Why? Because this is smaller and this is the greater. So don't write in the mixed number, okay? So just this is enough. Now write down 11 upon 12 divided by 4 upon 7. So 11 upon 12 multiplied by 7 upon 4. 11 sevens are 77 and 12 fours are, do you know the table of 12? 12 fours are 48. Okay. Here you can find the mixed number. Okay, that is your homework, to find the mixed number of this. Write down. Now there is third question. There were 420 students participating in Swachh Bharat campaign. How many students I have written? 420 students. Okay. Now they cleaned 42 upon 75 part of the town, Sevagram. There is one town, okay, and these students have cleaned this much part of the town. Now what part of the Sevagram did each student clean if the work was equally shared by all? This was the work done, okay. Now how much work every student has done, okay, that you have to calculate. How will you do this? Now look at the board. This was the total work done by how many students? 420 students. फिर we need to calculate कि how much work was done by one student. So if we divide the total work by total number of students, we will get the work done by one student. So this divided by 420 will give us the answer. Now if we divide it, we write it 42 upon 75 multiply by inverse of this. Now what is its inverse? Its inverse will be 1 upon 42. So 42 ones are 42, and I have, instead of multiplying these two numbers, I have just written 75 multiplied by 420. Now 42 ones are 42, and if you multiply 42 10 times, you will get answer 420. So I have written 10 below. So what is it? 75 multiplied by 10 here. That means 1 upon 750 times work was done by every student. Okay. So that's it. If you have not understood, you repeat, revise and watch it again. Then you will understand. Now write down this. Okay. And I'll see you tomorrow. If you have any difficulty, you can ask me in Google Meet. Okay.